Hello, and welcome back to English with Wolfizzle. I am Professor Wolfizzle. Today, I am here with Sara.
Hello, Professor. Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be here today.
Sara, today we want to talk about something very important. We want to talk about motivation and real-life practice. Many people say, Professor, speaking English is very hard. I am afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, Professor. I feel that too. Sometimes when I try to speak English, I get nervous. My heart beats fast.
That is normal. Listen to me carefully. Learning English is not a sprint. It is a marathon. A sprint is fast, like a race. A marathon is long, but you get to the finish line slowly.
A marathon. So I should go slow?
Yes, go slow. Do not rush. Let's practice something simple today. Let's practice how to talk to a stranger.
Like meeting someone new at a park?
Exactly. Let's try a slow conversation. Sara, please listen to my question. Then answer slowly. Hello. It is a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is very warm. I am Sara. What is your name?
Very good. See, listeners? Sara used a simple, clear sentence. She did not rush. Now, Sara, let's make it a little harder. Ask me what I do for fun.
Okay. What do you like to do in your free time?
Perfect. That was clear and easy to understand. I like to read books. And you?
I like to listen to music. Music helps me learn English.
That is a great tip. Everyone, listen to Sara. She listens to music. Music is a wonderful way to learn. It makes you happy. And when you are happy, your brain learns faster.
But, Professor, what if I don't understand the person? What if they speak too fast?
That is a very good question. If someone speaks too fast, you do not need to be shy. You can say, "Could you please speak a little slower?"
Could you please speak a little slower?
Yes, try that. It is a very polite sentence. People will be happy to help you. They want to talk to you.
I feel better now. I thought people would be annoyed.
No, people love to help. English is a tool. It is a key to open a door. You do not need to be perfect to use the key. You just need to try.
So, motivation is not about being perfect. It is about trying?
Exactly. Let's practice trying again. Sara, tell our listeners one thing you want to do this weekend. Use slow, simple words.
Okay. This weekend, I want to cook a nice dinner. I want to walk in the park, and I want to sleep a lot.
Sleeping is important. That was excellent. You used "I want to." That is a very powerful phrase. I want to cook. I want to walk. I want to sleep.
It feels good when I say it like that. Simple and clear.
Listeners, do you hear Sara? She is doing great. Now, I want you to repeat after Sara. Sara, say it one more time, very slowly.
I want to cook a nice dinner.
Good. Now pause. Let the listener repeat. Now, next sentence.
I want to walk in the park.
Excellent. Now pause. And the last one.
I want to sleep a lot.
Wonderful. You see,
You are practicing right now. You are doing it. You are speaking English.
Professor, I have a question about motivation. Sometimes I study for 1 week and then I stop. I lose my motivation. What can I do?
That is the motivation trap. Do not study for 5 hours one day and 0 hours the next. Study for 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes is easy. Everyone has 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That is very small. I can do that.
Yes, 10 minutes in the morning or 10 minutes before bed. If you do it every day, you will not lose motivation. Small steps are better than big jumps.
Small steps. That makes sense. Like walking slowly in a marathon.
Exactly. Let's practice a small step right now. Let's talk about feelings. Sara, how do you feel right now?
I feel happy and I feel motivated.
Great. Listeners, how do you feel? You can say, I feel good, or I feel ready. Repeat after me. I feel ready.
I feel ready.
See? You are ready to learn. You are ready to speak. You are ready to make mistakes. Mistakes are just proof that you are learning.
I'm